Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Rudraditya, and in this video I am going to talk about the new update of OnePlus 9R. Well, this is the second update since I bought this phone, so that's good. I mean, we are getting the updates here in the OnePlus 9R. Well, what change log is there? What improvements are here that OnePlus bring with this update in the OnePlus 9R? So let's see. Now in system there are plenty of change logs. So first thing is that they fix the abnormal silent notification issue after muting the media volume. So yeah, this is definitely I'm definitely looking forward to this because I am facing this issue. So we will find out very soon that they actually fix this properly or not. Now the second changelog is that they fixed UI issues in freeform windows, which I am not aware about. Now the third thing is that they fixed general issues and improved system stability, which is actually very good. Now the fourth thing is also very good for us, that we get May security patch. So on 21st day we get the security patch, so it's not bad. I mean, it's good. Now the other changelog is for note application. They fixed the issue that newly saved notes can't sync to self in time. Well, see, I'm using Google Keep Notes. I'm not using the Oxygen OS notes, so I don't know about that much. But if you are using the note application, then yeah, Congo, you will get an update. Then Congo for the gamers, they improved the overall user experience of OnePlus games, so that's also good. Then talking about the gallery, then you will get one changelog for gallery as well, where they improved picture preview smoothness. Well, in my opinion, I guess it's already smooth, but let's see that what they actually did. We will find out very soon. Now for camera, here are two changelogs. First, that they improve the camera stability and shooting performance. Nice. Now the second thing is that they fix the abnormal image issue under night escape mode. Well, I definitely noticed that in night escape mode, the OnePlus 9R fails to, keep the subject in focus. But I don't know what they are trying to say. What they are trying to claim here by saying abnormal image issue. Maybe they are referring to that issue only. Well, the update size is 384 MB, but don't bother. Maybe it will, you will get a different size of update. So there is nothing to worry about. And if I go into the system and system updates, then you can see there is no update yet. It's saying that your system is up to date, but I'm using the Oxygen Updater application here, and if you also want early access to the updates, then you should also download through this application. And there's nothing to worry about because it's completely safe. You can download any updates through this application. It's just that you will just get the updates earlier as compared to the normal system updates. So that's all about the Oxygen Updater application. And talking about this wallpaper, then do let me know in the comment box that how's this wallpaper, and if you want the link of this wallpaper, then just ask me in the comment. I will try to help you out. And now let's see that what improvements we will actually get here in the Oxygen OS 11.2.1.2. Well, before moving ahead, I would like to tell you some key points. When you downloaded the OTA through the Oxygen Updater application, you need to go into the settings, then system, and then system updates, and then you have to click on the top right at this gear icon, and then go into the local upgrade here, and then you will see a file. You have to click on it, and then you will get the option of install now, and you simply have to click on that install now button, and then it will take from 5 to 15 minutes to install this overall update. So have some patience, and then you will get the reboot option, and you simply have to reboot your phone, and then it's all good. Your phone will be updated to the latest OTA version. So after completing the boot up process, you can go into the system settings to check that whether your phone is now on the latest version or not. So go into the system, then system updates, and here you can see that it's on the latest 11.2.1.2 version, and also it's saying that your system is up to date. So yeah, our phone is now on the latest version. Now let's check all those change logs. Alright, so now let's check the first change log. So I disabled the media volume, but the notification volume is still on, and now I will check that if I get a ringing notification or not, or it's still silent. Alright, so that's so cool. It's working absolutely fine. And now let's see the low light samples. So guys, on the left hand side the photo is taken before the update, and then on the right hand side the photo is taken after the update, and literally there is no difference at all. Still the main subject is out of focus, as I said in this video. However, it brighten up the image, but I mean it's completely out of focus. Now if you see iQOO 7, then see how well iQOO 7 captured this same shot. So this is the photo taken on the night mode of iQOO 7 Legend, and you can clearly see that how well the camera lens is in focus. Also there are a lot of details. Yeah, colors are also saturated and boosted, but it looks good and at least much better than the OnePlus 9R. And the night escape of OnePlus 9R remains the same. I mean, there's nothing improved even after an OTA update. So guys, I guess that's pretty much it about this update. So overall, it's a very normal update where at least they fixed the silent notification issue, and also you will get the latest security patch of May. So these signs are good, but apart from that you will get some minor fixes in gallery and notes, so that's also good. But overall it's a very normal update. But do let me know in the comment box that what you guys think about this update, and also whether you received this update so far or not. So guys, that's it from today's video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and also share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn that bell icon on so that you will get notified every time I will upload a new video. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.